Alright guys, I'm back with another, well, I don't know if it's another, but a repair on the Tahoe. This truck has, or SUV, whatever you want to call it, almost 300,000 miles on it. And something was rattling underneath the dash. I did some research and it looks like it's the steering shaft gets worn out and the bearing that holds at the end of the steering column. So today I'm going to show you how to change that real quick. It's not hard. You gotta disconnect this bolt right here. It's a 15. Then there's one on the inside as well. And then there's a little plastic bearing that goes up in the steering column that we're going to replace that as well to see if we can get rid of that, some of that shake when we hit bumps and stuff. If you have one of these, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's like the Tahoe, Suburbans, Silverados, Yukons. This should cover all of it. All that range from like 03 to 06. So let's get into it and get this done. All right guys, this is the bolt on the inside. It's right here. It's actually a 13. I'm going to use a swivel socket and my ratchet. Okay, actually the nut size is a 15, so probably have to break the nut loose first. Just with a ratchet wrench. Alright guys, I'm actually going to pop the gas pedal off here. It's two 10mm bolts just to give me a little more space. Alright guys, the video I watched didn't have this black ring. Maybe because mine is an 06, maybe something else. But we have to pull the shaft off, and then we'll pull that green bearing out, which the video I watched was white. Mine's a later model, so that might be the reason it's green in the 06, which the new one's green as well. So, but I did wiggle it before I took it out. You can see it's wiggly, so it's definitely got some vibration in it. So guys, all the research that I did, it said once you get that shaft removed, like we just removed, make sure not to turn your steering wheel or it'll mess up the clock spring inside the steering wheel, and then none of your buttons will work. So make sure to not move the steering wheel once you get this disconnected. I'm thinking about, I'm gonna attach mine somehow to something so it won't move, but let's get this, we're gonna get the bearing out right after this. I just took a ratchet strap, just attached it, not tight, just from here over to the passenger side seat track, just to make sure I didn't accidentally move it. And plus you don't want to get your steering wheel off either whenever you do this either. Anyway, so let's get the bearing out and get that replaced. Take a screwdriver, pry it apart, and then slides out with your hand. Got it. All right, we got that out. Let's see what it looks like here. Ooh, lens got dirty. So, this black part will just slide off. It just pops off. This pops off. Oh, this one didn't even have a bearing in it. I wonder why that is. Or did it stay on? Let's see. So see if the bearing stayed up on there. It did. I see it. There it is. There we go, start up on there. Got it up in here. You got one locating notch on the side. All right guys, that part's done. Got the shaft hooked back up. Now I just got to attach the gas pedal back. Already attached it out from underneath the hood. And I think that's about it. Hopefully this takes care of my rattle. I hope this helps you out. I'm not gonna say it's an easy job. It's not real hard. Probably one of the hardest parts is get the bearing off. And then I fought getting the new shaft in, but once I figured it, I just took a break. and stopped getting frustrated, and it slid right in. So remember that anytime you're working on anything, if you're getting frustrated, take a break, get something to drink, come back, and then usually cool down a little bit, and it works a lot better. But thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out. Till next time, I'm out of here.